and I know how cliche this is about to sound, but I legitimately have not driven this car since last year. So yes, I'm back. Took a little bit of a week off, that way I can go on vacation. We went up to a little town called Crystal River, Florida, and not a lot of people have heard of it, but they got a lot of manatees there. So I got a little GoPro video of a manatee tour we went on.
That's how you want to scratch them on the back. A lot of times what they'll do is they'll arch their back like a dog or a cat and roll upside down. If they start to roll, start scratching them on their side. They'll just kind of like make it happen. I'm going that way. Supposedly there's a cow and a calf back here, but I didn't see them. That's not me. That's probably Matt. I'm coming out. Himself all over the Caribbean, all except for South America, and went 3 times to Puerto Rico by himself. Now, another guy here with that boat the same size, tear it up, he's off.
Yeah, as you can see, I didn't actually see any manatees. It was too cold that day, and they were all under the water. They didn't want to come up. Yes, that was a diving tour, however, we did not dive just because it was so cold. My girlfriend was worried about getting sick. So, we do hope to go back and do that one again in the summer when it's warmed up. And that by then I hope to get the special plastic GoPro cases that keep the water out so I can actually take it underwater with me. So that would be something fun to do. I know it's not the usual content for this channel, but something a little different to help change it up. On my way to Starbucks right now because one of the Christmas gifts I got was a Starbucks gift card. So I want to go spend it. need my coffee. So, a little update on me though. Right before we went on vacation, another reason I didn't post last week was also because I was doing a job interview. I had been applying to places on Indeed and then, crossing my fingers and hoping they even see my application. Well, I finally landed another job interview. So, I got an internship. So, if you don't see me as much, that's because I'm probably going to be working a lot. It is part-time, but as some of you know, I also am a student, so doing both gets a little challenging. But the advantage of that is I don't have to work weekends anymore for my other job. So, I probably will be able to do a little more with cars and coffee videos and stuff. But yes, that does in fact mean I'm going to have a little bit of money coming to me. So, some mods will be able to get done on this car. Now, I know what y'all are thinking, when's the mods going to start? When's the supercharger coming? Now, I'm still not going to be earning like a massive amount of money, so don't expect, this car to become a race car. But it is going to be getting some minor stuff to it. I'm thinking that finally we'll pull the trigger on a cold air intake. I'll finally be able to get things like the short throw shifter I've wanted since pretty much I got the car. So yeah, I'm definitely looking at a bunch of stuff. And as I've said, a lot of cars and coffee videos. And like I said in the last video I posted with goals for 2019, I made a bunch of different goals. Of course, one of them is to take the car down the drag strip, so that would be pretty cool. Kind of want to take it down the drag strip before I start all these mods and get like a baseline. Like here's what the car does before everything. So that's definitely something I'm thinking about. I'll actually have the money to be able to do that finally. A half-mile event is still a maybe. Still keeping all of that in mind. So I'm looking around at all that type of stuff, but of course, like I said, mods are coming. Hopefully soon. I gotta get some money together. I gotta see just exactly how much this job really earns me. They give you an hourly figure, but I like to see what am I earning for each paycheck. I'm excited for that. I missed this car. It's not even been that long. It's like 2 weeks I didn't drive it. Not even 2 weeks, like really a week and a half. And somehow I miss this thing a lot. God, this car it's an amazing car to drive. And that was another goal I actually forgot to mention in the last video. We're actually still talking about going to Mustang Week next year. I know this year a lot of people kept asking me, am I going to go to Mustang Week? And the problem was I was going to school full-time at that time. And it wasn't really going to be practical, and also I didn't really have a lot of money in my account. So going to Mustang Week was going to definitely be expensive, and I didn't want it to bankrupt me. I just bought the camera y'all are watching this video through. That was expensive, and then I just paid the car off as well, so fortunately I wasn't able to go. But that's definitely something we want to do. We're going to road trip the Mustang all the way up to Myrtle Beach. Girlfriend didn't want to go until I mentioned Myrtle Beach, and then all of a sudden, she's in full support of that. But that's way later in the year. But, anyway, only a couple corners away from Starbucks. That was definitely a big goal of mine, is I wanted to get another job, which I did, so that's goal number 1, check, off for 2019. Definitely got a lot more YouTube-related goals. But like I said in that video as well, let's help this channel get to 5,000 subscribers, because I really want to keep growing it. The more this channel grows, the more exciting the content gets, because that gives me the opportunity to make content. I always have to explain that to people on YouTube. It's the more you all leave the like, the more you all subscribe, the more you interact with the video, the more it helps me out. And that's good, because that brings you all better content. Also, Instagram, we're trying to get to 1,000. I have yet to go to a car meet this year, but hopefully we'll get that going soon. Instagram, as usual, is going to be in the link below, and of course I'll put it on screen for you all. But, anyway, take care, have a good day.